Good evening and welcome to CID News Studio. It's Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid announced the deployment of paramilitary troops in Punjab for the next 2 months amid an ongoing TLP-led protest. Federal Minister for Water Resources Munis Elahi presided over a meeting with Chairman WAPDA in Ministry of Water Resources. Therein he was briefed about the development portfolio of WAPDA and the progress achieved so far on water and hydropower projects. A Sessions Court in Punjab capital issued arrest warrants for Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Political Communication, Shehbaz Gill. 2 soldiers were murdered when terrorists from inside Afghanistan attempted to cross the fence along Pak-Afghan border in District Kuram. Police investigators have yet to find the motive for the murder of a young Pakistan Army officer, 2nd Lieutenant Rana Osman Liaquat. The government has directed Capital Development Authority to name a road and a building after late Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, the father of Pakistan's nuclear program, to mark his contribution to the country. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa visited HQ Southern Command Multan on Wednesday, where he was briefed on operational training and administrative matters of the formation. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Fawad Chaudhry stated that no one will be allowed to blackmail the state and proscribe Tehreek-e-Labbaik. Pakistan will now be treated as a militant group. As many countries see a surge in COVID-19 cases, Pakistan has been reporting the lowest cases of the novel disease since the country started measuring the infection ratio in last year. That's all from CID Studio. Keep watching CID and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.